Barco is this incredible company with this rich history of innovation. And even 92 years in, they continue to amaze with the new products that they come out with. And I couldn't be more proud to work for a company like that. Hi, I'm Chris Deutsch. I'm from Denver, and I am the business development manager for Barco Residential for the Western U.S. and Latin America. It's been my pleasure to be working with ListenUp. The opportunity came about for this beautiful remodel of their main Denver showroom, and they wanted an LED video wall to show the latest, greatest state-of-the-art technology.
When I first saw the Barco wall, I quickly realized that I need a new TV. You know, I didn't expect what we got. TVs come a long way since the days of the black and white I grew up with as a kid.
The image is different from a television or a projection system in the sense that we are dealing with individual tiles that we assemble seamlessly to create the perfect video wall for your room. And we have a processor that feeds the video to that wall and creates a completely seamless experience.
The thing that impresses me the most about the video wall is really the experience that the tech support and the manufacturer has. They've gone through painstaking years of development, and it shows in the product.
Barco has a very comprehensive process for selecting and installing an LED video wall. When the installation happens, it's the Barco white glove service. There is always a Barco engineer on site. We don't use any third-party people. First of all, we build the structure. Second day, we populate it with the LED modules. And then the third day, we calibrate and adjust and deliver the finished product. Also, you're working with ListenUp, a company that has an equally stellar reputation in the Colorado market for service and support. Once we decide on the technology, the Barco team will meet with the ListenUp team to plan out the requirements for the room, to cover power and structure, everything that's needed to have a successful installation. And every LED wall is unique. It's bespoke. It's built for you.
What I love about the Barco video wall is the fact that it's modular. I like that you can connect these panels in whatever aspect ratio you want.
When you see the Barco LED video wall at ListenUp in person, the first thing I think you're going to notice is it's not 16 by 9. It's not CinemaScope. It's actually a little bit wider. It's a 2.66 to 1 aspect ratio. And you're going to be able to watch a CinemaScope movie in an incredibly immersive view, and gives you that ultra-wide cinematic immersive experience. Let's say it's Sunday and it's football season. You're going to be able to watch not one, not two, but maybe 3 different football games all at the same time, all exactly as they're supposed to look, side by side. You'll be able to switch them around. It's a game changer, literally.
It was definitely worth the wait to see it in person. It's one of those things that is hard to explain to people, and you really have to see it for yourself.